Hello everyone. Who could have imagined we're in the situation we are today? There isn't a playbook for getting through this, but we are getting through it and we will get through it because of people like you.
FMS Canada frontline, service employees, technicians, rental reps, and used vehicle sales. Thank you for your tireless efforts and leadership during this difficult period of time.
To all of our drivers, warehouse workers, clerical support, admin, and management team, thanks for your leadership.
I just want to take this time to express my gratitude to our entire frontline, our technicians, operations team, the entire rental team across Canada.
Grâce à votre assiduité, on est capable de livrer un service de qualité supérieure.
Together, we will come through this. We will be stronger as a nation and as a company.
I admire the passion that you bring every day to serve our customers across the country.
You are demonstrating during these unprecedented times a commitment to your families, to our clients, and to Ryder, and that is highly appreciated.
Whether you are fixing trucks, fueling trucks, renting trucks, selling trucks, driving trucks, unloading or loading trucks, or part of the broader team that support those that do.
Without your efforts, supplies, medical equipment, and food products would not be reaching those in critical need.
Thank you.
Merci, thank you all.
I know it hasn't been easy. It's a challenging time both at work and at home, but still you continue to do the best you can to service our customers and keep the country rolling.
Donc, vous pouvez très certainement être fiers de vous parce que sachez que chez Ryder, nous, on l'est.
Be safe, be healthy, and most of all, thank you.